Okay, many people said math is abstract, but in fact, math is not abstract. Math is come from real life and also apply to real life. So now I give example. So I write that something like this. 5. Okay, what is 5? 5, yes, 5 is abstract. So, but 5, I can give you an example. For example, 5 ample, something like this. Ample. Okay. So now the number 5, it become to real. Is fruit. Is an apple. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then 5 is not only instead of express to impress to apple, it also can impress to other things such like uh well tree, such like tree, how to write tree? Okay, tree. Okay, this is tree, this is apple, and this is tree. Okay, so that means number they can instead anything, but for math we don't want to study for apple or tree, but we just study for number. It means 5 apple, 5 trees. A tree is mean altogether our compound 5. So okay, just only number. We don't found tree or road or just we only found number. So in the 5 apple and another 5 tree, that's enough. Okay, so this is number. So when you teach to children, you tell them 5, they will confuse them because 5 is abstract. But if you tell the children their 5 it can instead of apple, tree, or pear or something, they know, oh my God, apple, I know, apple, apple, with the price, if one apple is 5, so apple is $6. So now but um we cannot know because everything we talk about apple. Just we want to know today how many apple we buy, or how many tree we buy. So we only want to know 5. Okay, that's me 5. So for example, today we buy 5 apples, and tomorrow also we buy 3 apple. So we want to know how many apple totally for 2 days. So that means, so for example, the teacher or something for general life, or our boss ask us to know, to find how many money we spend, because 5 apple plus 5 apple is $5, for 3 apple is $3. So we add them together, so totally is 8. Okay, so this is addition. So what would be 5 minus 3? So for example, we today we buy 5, but 8 is 3. So how many remain? So we buy 3 apple or buy 5 apple, then buy 3. The total is 8. But now we buy 3 apple or we buy 5 apple. So what is 3? So we take 3 off. So how many remain? How many total remain? So it's 2. Okay. This question is that meaning for 5 apples, take off 3. We need 2. So other form. Instead, what I mean? 5 minus 3. Not this. Okay, I take off. Okay. Okay. So the math is solve the general problem. So what does this mean? 5 minus 3 minus 3 is me. Okay. I can give you another. 5 is me usually for example this positive 5 usually the positive we don't write that, but negative you must be write that. If negative, if you don't write negative, the people don't know it's positive or negative. But the positive 5 is equal 5 because it's positive. Usually we omit that. Okay, now we want to know what does it mean. But tell the children what does that mean. 5 minus negative 5. Okay, so example 5 is positive. We write and the number line here is 0. Here we said you said right direction is the forward and left forward. This for right is forward and left is left is backward. Okay. So what does it mean? Just our question. We want to know first. We want to know and then we want to swing. So is positive 5. We can add here and the positive. Or want to write positive. Same. Now we want to write that. We want to know what does that mean. For example, here 5. 1, 2, 3, 1. This 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here is 5. 5 the positive 5 it means go to the right direction. Okay. For negative here, we can see minus or negative. This we just see that here. Negative. Negative would mean tend to left. The direction is backward. Backward. Just we prepare to backward here. Okay, backward. But here is breeze. Breeze is inside. It backward means opposite direction. So backward, then backward to backward, then forward. Okay, forward. How many? 3. 1, 2, 3. Totally is here. Here is solution. So 6, 7, 8. That means the solution should be 8. So we can find after we make many practice. Here we can find the solution from a number line, and here after we calculate, it means 5. Then two time we change direction. So why no? They come here 5 minus 3. Okay, so that means two time change direction. They change to forward. So 5 plus 3 equal 8 because we change direction for two time, one time, two time. So they become to forward. Forward is here. So all the questions stuff like this is forward. It's mean you can write you can calculate like 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 is positive, but usually positive we don't write that. Okay. So other things, I give you another question, such like negative 5 plus 3. What is first we want to know what is question? What meaning the what's meaning? Then we want to find the solution. So it means such like this. Also, we use a number line to help us understand. So this is 0. For because here is negative. Negative would mean backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, backward 5. Then, because it's a positive, it means, let's see. Now it's negative, so it's here, this point. At this point, we say this here. Positive, it means forward. 1, 2, 3. So, here is our solution point. The point is here, negative 2. So it's from number we find our solution. Okay, how to calculate this? Okay, we can write there. Positive, positive. Positive, positive 5, negative 5, we can write two part. Negative 5, we can write two part. Negative 2, negative 3. You see here? This negative 2 plus negative 3. Here is negative 2, then 1, 2, 3, negative 3. Totally is negative 5. So this original number, positive 5, 3. So negative 3 with plus positive 3 is 0. Here is 0. So the solution should be negative 2. So we just understand what that means, find the solution, but we just find how to solve them. So because one number, for example, here, negative 5 plus positive 5, always like equals 0. Why? From number line, 0, this, negative 5, then positive 5. So negative 5 means the backward here. The positive mean forward. Forward, how many number is 5? So it's here. Here, this solution point. Solution point is 1, is 0. So here is 0. Okay. So this I explain. So the addition for positive number addition and negative number addition. So now we can write to also we can give other example. Negative 5. What I mean is that. Then what mean positive number? Positive. It means credit. What I mean? So we have debt 5. So but we get a $3. We get a debt with $5. So because it's a different. Debt with the credit is different. But after we have debt is a negative 5, but we also get another $3 for credit. How about together? How about together? Our net value is here, negative 5 plus 3. So we can write negative 2, negative 3 plus 3. So that is 3. So we make negative 5 to two parts, negative 2 minus negative 3. So then negative, but for and this minus, change their position to calculate. So there's no negative from left to right, but we can jump. So here, first step, we calculate this. Negative 3 plus positive 3. So they omit, they become 0. So the solution, only negative 2 remain. Or we can do that. Negative 2. Um, or we can move negative 3 plus positive 3, then negative 2. It's okay. We can change their position, but we don't change their solution. So the solution also is negative 2. Out addition and subtract and minus subtraction. So next step, we explain what is multiplication. First, 5 times 3. What does that mean? 5 times 3. What does that mean? Okay, I'll make example. There's many example. I don't want to make a math is abstract, but I just want to make the real is real 5 is real abstract. So 3 in for example, one day is $5. $5. We get $5 one day. But how about 3 days? We continue get this $5 for 3 days. It means $5 plus $5. Okay. Yes, you are right. Addition is addition. So that means 5 plus 5 plus 5. That means it's same. It's equal. It means same. We one day we get $3. 3 day here 3. Total how much? It means one day we get $5. Day, second day, third day all get. So for addition, we know how to calculate it. It means 15. Yes, it's 15. 15 is solution. So here, totally you can write, you can see that totally for 3 days, we get how many? It means $15. Okay. So, so there is a shortcut. It's, okay. So after you check your multiplication is same addition. Often we want to use this type of calculus. So we should remember that. If we don't remember, every time we find a multiplication, we do this with addition. So we spend a lot of time. So this number is necessary for you to remember. Such a it is called like 1 times 1, uh, 1 times 2, 1 times 3, or 1 times 4. Like, yeah. Okay. 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3. So then 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4. Okay. Such like this. So you should not every time you want to find solution, you change to their addition. Yes. And when you practice, you should do this to confirm is right. But right, when you use the addition key, just directly call them from that. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, times 4 is 8. So that means here is multiplication. And what means for this? Negative 5 times 3. What does that mean? Okay, this also there's many examples. So I give you one example. So to show you that math is not abstract, it's real. They can help you solve the question in real life. Sounds like um you use credit card. Remember, credit card, not that card. Credit means you get money, you borrow money from a credit company. So first day, this you get a negative $5, and the second day you also get another $5. Another $5, yes, is 5, but because it's dead, you should write to -5. Because like 5 cannot write here 5. No, this -5 with the +5 is different. +5 is mean it's credit. -5 is debt. It's different. Debt mean you lend money, you borrow money from a credit company. $5 it mean your salary. So that different for that debt you should pay back. You should in the future should have credit company. For for positive 5, that means your credit. That means you get a salary. You get a pay stub. You no need to pay boss again because you work for your boss. Your boss paid your salary. You get $5. You never no need to pay company, pay boss. But that you should pay to a credit card company. Otherwise, the company will send you into jail because you owe their money. You don't pay them, you are break law. But your boss, you work for your boss. Your boss pay your salary. That's money you should get. You no necessarily pay to any people again. So that's different. That's different for positive with negative. It's also different with debt with credit. So here we want to calculate how much this. So that means -5 plus -5 plus -5. So is this mean -5 times 3 equal it meaning -5 plus -5 plus -5. So that means you spend $5, you spend you use credit to buy something. First day you spend $5. Second day also spend $5. That $5 mean you use credit card, but it's your debt. You total 3 days how much money you spend. So it's -50. Okay, it's total. So you can observe that how to calculate this, but also it's here -5 times 3. You can take a negative symbol out. So 5 times 3 is equal -15. What that mean? So one day you spend $5, total 3 days you spend $15. But finally, don't forget the negative here because you use the credit card. This is your debt. In the future, you should be paid in credit company. Okay, this is for negative number time positive number. Okay, that means -5 times -3. What's this mean? Okay, so you can write two parts. -5 times 3 times -1. It's same. It's same, right? This part is just a copy from this here, but we just write -3 equal -1 times 3. It's same. You can write to use the brace or don't use it. That's okay. So how to explain this? So also same. You use a credit card. You spend totally. You spend here. -15 here equal -15 times -1. Okay. So you can write the brace here. Okay. This 15 means you short credit company $15. You should pay to them because it's debt. What means negative? Time negative. Time negative they mean for you now your money is negative 15 because you don't have this money. This is your debt. Debt is negative 15. Time negative 1 is mean credit company. Credit company. So you short them $15, but in the future you should pay to them how much money? So negative 15. Okay, I cancel this. I write here. Negative 15 times negative 1. It means opposite this direction, not your place, your position. It's opposite position. Where is the opposite position? Credit company, credit card company. That means in the future you should pay to them 15. Negative it means upside. So how much? 15. Because upside, upside like this. 0. So here is one position, and here another upside position. Here is the positive, here is negative. All the time their symbol is different. That means credit company you pay them 15. So that's what multiplication for negative number times negative number. Okay, now we explain other things. So like 4 4 divided 2. 4 divided 2 mean you can write it here. 4 divided 2. That means, for example, you have 4 apple. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 apple. You divide 2, that means cut 2 part. This totally 2 part. One part, each part is 2. So that means 4 divided 2 is 2. Okay. What does this mean? Negative 4 divided 2. Negative 4. Negative 4 divided 2. What does this mean? Negative 2 mean you, for example, you have debt. Your debt is $4. You should write debt, you should write negative. So that means credit should write to positive. That means 4. So now your debt is $4. We should write to negative 4. But you want to pay them back for 2 days. For 1 day, how much you pay to them? So that means 1 day is mean right here. Negative 4 divided 2 here. So equal negative 2. Also, you can write negative 4 divided 2. So it's negative 2. So that means you pay to credit company, not from position, not credit company position. You pay to them 1 day, your debt is $2, but its debt is negative 2. Okay. So we write other question. What mean 4 divide negative 2? What's this mean? Okay, so this what that mean? Okay, we can write 2 parts. 4 divide negative 1 times 2. So that means negative 2 here. Negative 2 equal negative 1 times 2. This form. Then we have salary. For example, we have salary $4. But how many did we get that? Or we get 2 days. That means 1 day how much money we get for totally is $4. 2 day we work for our boss for 2 days. So 1 day we get such like we can write here. Okay, let me who then okay, right? So 4 divided 2 is 2. So that means 1 day we get $2. So what mean for negative? Negative, before I tell you, it means upside. So for you, you get $2 1 day. How about your boss? Your boss will lose me negative. Your boss upside position lose $2. So solution should be -2. So that means -2. This position not for you, for your boss. Well, how about this? Okay, -4 divide -2. Okay, what does that mean here? -4, for example, it's debt. Okay, debt. You have debt is -$4, -4. So you want to buy for 2 days. So -4 divide -2. We write -4, -1 times 2. So okay, here for first we write we take negative here. We put -1 to here. We don't change them. And this part -4 divided 2, we know that is -2. Okay, this part is mean -2. It mean this debt because we have debt. Debt is we want to pay back for 2 days. So now 1 day we pay to -2. So what does it mean -1? -1 is mean upside direction for credit company. So they will get, we pay to them, our debt is -$2. They will get $2. In the future, we pay to them is $2. So here should be 2. That's why I explain this. So negative number divide negative number. Yes, you should do some practice so you will find the right solution. Also, you can use a calculator, but you should also know what problem they will solve. What does that mean? So you will stand here for your position is debt. For credit company is credit. Reward same. For your get for other things, you get credit, you get salary. For you get money. For your boss is lost money. Just because your boss give money to you, it's upside direction.